Hi, my name is Nicole Shivers, and today I want to share some important information you need to know regarding MLS rules for MetroList MLS. As you may know, as of January 2020, MLS data from our neighboring MLSs, including San Francisco, Barry's, MLS Listings, and MetroList, have been integrated into Paragon, giving our members the ability to search and input listings without logging into any other platform. Although members have the ability to input listings outside of Alameda and Contra Costa counties, the MLS rules and regulations for each MLS are not all uniform, and agents are required to abide by the rules of the MLS where the property is located. Perhaps due to its close proximity to the Tri-Valley area, ranging from the Central Valley to Sacramento, a large number of our members have listings in the MetroList areas. Several listing practices allowed in Paragon MLS are considered listing violations in MetroList. And we want to be sure we help our members avoid these possible violations by sharing the top 5 MetroList MLS rules you need to know. Let's take a look. Number 1. The public remarks section of any listing may not include showing instructions, directions to the property, open house information, or any media links. Number 2, the presentation of offers need to have a specific date and time when the offers will be reviewed by the seller, and seller's instructions must be uploaded to the attached document section in the listing. You cannot state the seller will accept preemptive offers and give at least 24-hour advance notice of any changes by updating your comments and seller's instructions. Number 3. Any listing in the MetroList coverage area that references a device for entry to access the property can only refer to a MetroList iBox BTLE. There cannot be any mention of other devices, including combo lockboxes, and the agent remarks can only state call or text for showing instructions. Number 4. Agents are allowed to list the escrow number and name of the escrow company. However, a specific person or their contact information cannot be referenced. Number 5, showing directions on a listing cannot include general directions such as check Google Map or see link to Google Map. Any directions listed must be actual directions to the property. If you have any questions about MLS rules and regulations, or for more information, please email Bay East Compliance Department at bayeast.org or contact us directly at 925-730-4060. As always, thanks for watching.